Hello children, this is 4th standard maths. Chapter name is Division and the Unitary Method. Now estimate division by a two-digit number and estimating the value. Estimating the quotient. To divide by two-digit number, it is useful first estimating the quotient by rounding. So here estimate the quotient for 73 divided by 22. It does not mean by after dividing we are estimating the value. First we have to estimate the value. First we have to estimate the 73 divided by 22. 73 is estimated to 70 and 22 is estimated to 20. Round off to 73 is round off to tens place means it becomes 70. 22 round off to tens place means it becomes 20. Then simplifying 0 cancel means 7 divided by 2. After that we have to divide it. Next estimate the quotient in 468 divided by 27. Here we are rounding off to tens place. Here we are rounding off to 100 place. Because here it is not mentioned round up the number in a particular place value. Okay, if it is not mentioned mean we can apply general rule. General rule means the first number are rounding up. First number is rounding off. And or we can round off any number. Ones place number or tens place or 100 place. Most of the case we round off the first number. Here we round off tens place first number. Here we round off 100 place. And here tens place. 460 divided by 27. So 460 we have to round off. 460 if we are round off means 4 is rounded. So here it becomes 500 and 27 round off means we are rounding to 2 means it becomes 30. 500 divided by 30 means 0 cancel means it becomes 50 divided by 3. After division answer is 16. So rounded quotient is 16. Here rounded quotient is estimated quotient is 3. Now exercise 4.3. Estimate the quotient by rounding. 64 divided by 12. Now next 64 we have to estimate the quotient. Estimate the quotient by rounding. So 64 divided by 12. 64 rounded to tens place. So here ones tens, which place we are rounding off? Tens place. So 6 is round off. Ones tens and ones tens. General rule means first starting number we can round off. Rounding off means here we have to check next number 4. Whether is 4 is next number is 5 or greater than 5. 1 is added here. So next number is 4. 4 means less than 5. So 6 remains same, no changes. And once door knock means 4 become 0. And here 1 is rounding off. You have to check next number. Next number is 5 or greater than 5. If less than 5 means 1 remains same as it is, no changes. And once door knock means that person become poor. Now 60 divided by division 10. This is a round. 64 rounded to 60. 12 rounded to 10. 0 cancel. So it means 6 by 1. 6 by 1 means 1 ones are 1. 1 6 are 6. Answer is 6. Next question is 96 divided by 18. So 96 rounded to tens place. 96 rounded to tens place means ones tens. 9 in tens place. Here ones tens, 1 in tens place. 96 rounded to tens place means we rounded 9 and we have to check next number. Next number is 5 or greater than 5. So here 6. 6 is means 1 can be added to here rounded number. So here is 6 can have 9. 9 plus 1 means it become 10. Okay, it become 10 and once door knock means this person become poor 0. Here 1 we are rounding up. So we have to check next number. Next number is 5 or greater than 5. So here 8. 8 is greater than 5. So 1 is added. 8 means 1 is added. Greater than 5 number, no? So 1 is added. 1 will become 2. And once door knock means that 8 become 0. Now rounded number is 100 divided by 20. 0 cancel. Now 10 by 2. 10 by 2 means 2 ones are 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. So answer is 5. Quotient is 5. Quotient equal 5. Now next third question, 67 divided by 27. We have to round off. 67 rounded to tens place. We are rounding up children. 67 rounded to tens place. So here 1's tens, first number we are rounding off. Here 1's tens, first number we are rounding off. So 6, which is rounding off, 6 is rounding off. Okay. Now, so knock next number. If 5 are greater than 5 means 1 can be added here. So here 7 means greater than 5 now. So 1 is added, 6 will become 7. And once door knock means the 7 become poor, 0. And 2 we have to rounding up. We have to check our neighbor next number. 5 are greater than 5 means 1 will be added here. So 7 is greater than 5. 1 is added, 2 become 3. And once door mark, that person become poor. Now rounded, 67 rounded to 70, 27 rounded to 30. Now 70 divided by 30. 70 divided by 30 means 0, 0 cancels, 7 by 3. 7 by 3 means how to divide? 7 by 3. 3 2s are 6 means 7 minus 6 is 1. So quotient is, therefore quotient is 2. What is the answer? Answer is 2. Next question is 286 divided by 33. So 286 rounded to tens. Any place we can round first number or any place because general rule. And 33 rounded to tens place. So 1's tens, 100. So 8 we are rounding up. Any place we can round. 1's tens. Both the number are rounding up to tens. We can round up to 2 also. 100 place. General rule. No? Now 286 rounded to tens place. So if you round off to 100 place means answer will become change. Answer get changed, but the answer is correct because we are applying a general rule. If they have specially mentioned round off to tens place, ones place or 100 place means we have to round off a particular place value. It is not mentioned means we can use general rule. General rule means our wish. We can round off to any place, ones or tens or 100. Here I am round off into tens place. Now 2 as it is because 2 is not rounding up. Before numbers remain same, 2 as it is. 8 is rounding off. So we have to check our next neighbor. Next neighbor is rich means he also become richer. Next neighbor have check 5 or greater than 5. 6 means greater than 5, no? So 1 is added here. 1 is added here means 8 become 9. And once door knock means that person become poor, 0. And 33 we are rounding off. We have to check next neighbor. If neighbor is rich means he also become rich. So here neighbor is less than 5. Less than 5 means this number remain the same as it is, no changes. But once door knock that person become poor. Okay. Now 286 rounded to 290 and 33 rounded to 30. New rounded number is 290 divided by 30. Here 0, 0 can cancel. So 29 remaining is 29 by 3. 29 by 3 means divided children. Divide and check the quotient. So 3, 29. So here 2 we can't take less than 3. So 29 means 3 9s are 27. So quotient is 9. 3 9s are 27. Quotient is 9. Therefore quotient equal 9. Next number is 507 divided by 29. So 507 rounded to and 29 is rounded to. Ones place here we have to round off the number. Here also it is in 100 place, but here we are rounding up both the numbers in tens place. So which place we are rounding off? Tens place. Ones tens. 0 we are rounding off. Ones tens. 2 we are rounding off. So here 507 rounded to. For first, this is not rounding up. So first number before number remains same as it is, no changes. The circle one, that number we are rounding up. So we have to check our next neighbor. Neighbor is rich means he also become rich. He can get help. So 7 means 1 is added here. No, greater than 5. Greater than 5 means 1 is added. So 0 become 1. And once door knock means that number become over 0. 29 we are rounding up. You have to check next number, that is 9. 9 is greater than 5 means 1 is added, 2 become 3. And once door knock means 9 become 0. Okay, now 510 divided by 30. 0, 0 cancel. So now 51 by 3. 51 by 3 we have to divide it. 51. 3, 5, we can take one number, single number, was less than, greater than. 3 ones are 3, minus means 2, 1 carry down, so 3, 1, 21. 3 sevens are 21. Now quotient is 17. Here 929 divided by 41. So 921 round off to tens place. We are here ones, tens, and here we can round off to 100 place also, because but it is our wish. No? We can round off 100 place or tens place or ones place. Now here we are both the number I am round off to tens place only. So ones, tens, 2 is round off. Here ones, tens, 4 in tens place. 929 round off to. So 9 remains same as it is, no changes. Okay, 9 remains same as it is, no changes. And which number rounded? 2 is rounded. So we have to check our next neighbor. If neighbor is rich, or 9 is rich person. So here 1 is added, 2 will become 3. And once door knock means that person become poor. Now we are rounding off to 4. 4 means we have to check next number. Next number is 1 means less than 5, poor person. So he can't get any help from his friend. 4 remains same as it is, no changes. And once door knock, our neighbor also become poor. Now rounded number is 930 divided by what? We can simplify here, reduce the value, 0, 0 cancel, and 93 divided by 4. 93 divided by 4 means we have to check the value. 93 divided by 4. Okay. Now 4 numbers are 9 nearer to 9, 4 2s are 8, that is a nearer to 9. 9 1 8 is 1, 3 is carried down, 4 3 is a 12, remainder is 1, our quotient is 23. Therefore quotient is 23. Now 7th one, 440 divided by 29. Here also I am rounding off to tens place only. Ones, tens, both the number in tens place. Ones, tens means uniformity. Ones, tens, tens place, both the number in same place I am rounding off. Okay. Now 4 remain the same as it is, no changes. 4 before number remain the same as it is, no changes. And this number rounding off. So we have to check our next number. Next number is 5 or greater than 5 means 1 is added here. So here less than 5 means this number becomes same as it is, no changes. For less than 5 no changes, then once door knock means that person becomes same. So 440 rounded to 440 only. Now 29 we are rounding off. So 2 is rounded. So we have to check next number. Next number is greater than 5 means 1 is added here. So 2 become 3 because greater than 5, 9. And once door knock, the 9 become poor, 0. That person become poor. Now for rounded, new rounded number is 440 divided by 30. Now 0 0 can cancel, 44 by 3. 44 by 3 children. Now divide it. Three ones are 3, minus 4 minus 3 is 1, 4 carry. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, so 3 4s are 12. Answer is, quotient is 14. This is the answer. Next 8th one, 3978 divided by 18. So 3978 rounded to 100 place. So here many number, here general rule means we can round off any place or the first number or any place. So I am here rounding off to 100 place. 1 tens 100, 9 in 100 place, and 8 is rounded to 18 is rounded to tens place. 1 tens. So 3918. So first number as it is, no changes. 3 as it is, and 9 we are rounding off. 9 rounding off a circle. We have to check next number. Next number is 5 or greater than 5 means 1 is added here. 1 is added here means 9 become 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 1 means 10. 10 means 0 here and 1 carry over means 4. 39 plus 1 is 40. Okay, once door knock means these people become poor. 0, 0. Then next 18 we have to round off. 18 we have to round off means we have to check next number. Next number is 5 or greater than 5. So here greater than 5 means 1 is added here. 1 become 2 and once door knock means that person become poor. Now 4000 divided by 20. 0, 0 cancel. So 400 by 2. Okay. Now divide it, children. 2 was 0 to 4. 2 2s are 4. 0 and this 0. 2 zeros are 0 and 2 zeros are 0. 200. Okay. It means this 0 will carry up. This 0 have a value. It means 2 2s are and remaining all are zeros, no? 2 2s are 4 and this 2 0 will go up. It means 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0. Quotient is 200. Now 9th one, 6842 divided by 27. Here any place, 6 also we can round off, ones, tens, hundred, thousands place or hundred place or tens place. I am here rounding off to tens place, 4 and 2, both the number in same place, tens place. Okay, anywhere we can round off to 100 place or 6, anywhere, because general rule we are applying. There is a no rule. First we can round off to anywhere. Okay, 6842. So I am here rounding off to tens place number, tens place, and here round off to tens place. 68 remain the same as it is, 68 because before number, and circle one is a rounding up. So we have to check next number. Next number is rich, means greater than 5 means 1 is added. So 2 means he can't help here. So 4 also remains same, no change, no help from his friend. And once door knock, that person become poor. And 2 we are rounding off, 10 circle. So we have to check next number is rich, means he can get help. So here 5 or greater than 5 means he can get, and 7 means greater than 5. So 1 is added here, 2 become 3, and once door knock means that person become poor. So now here 6840 divided by 30. 0 0 cancel. 684 by 3. Okay, now we have to divide it 3. 684. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 minus then 8. 3 2s are 6 minus 8 means 2. Bring this 4 down. 3 8s are 24. Answer is, quotient is 228. After dividing, 2 to 8 is the answer. Next 10th one is 9999 divided by 33. 9999. So here also we can round off to this tens place, 10,000 place or thousands place or 100 place or tens place. Any place we can round off, general rule, no? Here I am round off in tens place, both the number in tens place, one's tens, both the number in same place, tens place. 9999 round off to tens place. So we have to write as it is. Which one as it is? 9 as it is before number. This number we are rounding up, so we have to check next number. Next number is greater than 5 means 1 is added here. 1 is added here means it become 10. 10 means here 10 means here 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 means 1 carry out to next place means here also 10, and carry out to next place means here also 10. And once door knock means 9 becomes 0. So 10,000. 9,999 rounded to tens place is 10,000. And 33. 3 we are rounding up. Next number is less than 5 means he can't get any help. But once door knock means 3 becomes 0. So for 10,000, new number is 10,000 divided by 30. Round 0 0 cancel. So 10,000 by 3. that we have to divide and check. 3 3s are 9, minus means 10 minus 9 is 1 and 1 0 carry over. 3 3s are 9 again, minus means 10 minus 9 means 1, again 1 0 carry down. 3 3s are 9 means minus. So quotient is 333. This is the answer. Now exercise 4.4, here 18, 425. 18, how much is 400? 18 2s are 36. 18 2s are 36. Now 12 minus 6 is next. Okay, 18 2s are 36. So 12 minus 6 is 6 only. 3 minus 3 is 0, 65. 18 how much are 65 or nearer to 65. 18 3s are 54. 18 3s are 54 is a nearer one. Now 65 minus 51 is 54 is 11. Remainder. Quotient is 23. Now 45. 5030. 45 ones are 45. 50 minus 45 means 5 is a remainder. 5 and bring this 3 down. 53. 45 how much are 53? Nearer is again 45 ones are 45. Now 13 minus 53 minus 45 means 8. And bring this 0 down. 80. Nearer one is 45. Ones are 45 because 45 twos are is 90. Near 90 is greater than this. 45 ones are 45. There is a nearer. 80 minus 45 means 35. 10 minus 5 is 5. 535. Now for 3455 divided by 47. 47 334 we can't take, so we have to consider 3-digit number 345. So 47 sevens are 329. 15 minus 9 means 16. And bring this 5 down. 165. The nearer one is 141 means that is 47 3s. 47 3 multiply and check. We have to multiply nearer one. 47 6 are how much? 47 into 5 once we have to check because we can't remember 47 ones are tables. We have to multiply and check nearer one or exact one. 47 3s is 141. Now 5 minus 1 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 24. Remainder is 24. Quotient is 73. Here quotient is 111. Remainder is 35. There is a remainder. Yeah, remainder. Now next, find the quotient and the remainder. Again we are dividing. You can do it. Try this yourself, children. Do it yourself. B main and C main. After doing yourself, check the answer. Again 4.4 B main. Find the quotient and the remainder. Do it yourself and check the answer here. 93. 11 we have to divide. So it means we have to check the 11 ones are tables. 11 8s are 88. So then 93 minus 88 is remainder is 5. Quotient is 8 and remainder is 5. Second one 84 divided by 28. So 28 and 84 here. 84 28 3s are 84. Subtracted remainder is 0. Quotient is 3. Remainder is 0. The next one, fourth question, 73 divided by 13. So 13 here divides 73 here. 13 5s are 65. Then 73 minus 65 means after subtracting answer is 8. 8 is a remainder. Quotient is 5. The next third question, 92 divided by 47. So 47 here, 92 here children. 41 2s are 82. That is a nearer one. Then 92 minus 82 after subtracting remainder is 10 and quotient is 2. Remainder is 10. We can verify the answer. 41 into 2 is 82. 82 plus remainder 10 is 92. We get the question itself. That is a verification. Now fifth question, 332 divided by 11. 11 here, nearer to 30, so 3 we can't take less than 11, so we have to consider 2 digit, that is 33. 11 3 is a 33. 33 minus 33 is 0, no need to write, bring this 2 down to 11. How was a nearer to 2? That is 11, 11 ones are 11, that is a greater than 2, so nearer is 11 zeros are 0, that is a nearer one. So 2 minus 0 is 2 again, remainder is 2, quotient is 30. Now next one, sixth question, 240 divided by 18. So 18 here, whether we can consider take 2? No, because 2 is less than 18, so we have to take 2 digit, that is 24. 18 ones are 18, that is a nearer to 24. So 24 minus 18 is a 6 remainder, and bring this 0. Each time only one number we have to bring down, children. Okay, each time only in one number bring down. So 16. 18 3 is a 54, that is a nearer one. Now 60 minus 54 is remainder is 6, and quotient is 13, remainder is 6. So verify the answer. We can verify the answer also, children. Okay. Next, 7th one, 405 divided by 21. 21 here, divisor, and 405. So whether 4 only 4 number we can take no. 4 is less than 21, so greater than this number we have to take. So or exact can be considered. So 40, 21 how much is nearer to 40? 21 2s is 42, greater than this. So 21 1s are 21. 40 minus 21 is 19. Then bring this 5 down, 195. 21 9s are 189, that is a nearer one. Subtract 191, 5 minus 189, remainder is 6. So quotient is 19, remainder is 6. Next, 8th question, 613 divided by 24. So 24 here, 613. So whether we can take only 6? No, because 6 is less than 24. We have to consider 2 digit, that is 61. 24 2s are 48. 24 3s is 68 something, that is greater than this number. We have to multiply and check which is a nearer one, because we can't remember 24 ones are tables. We have to check 24 2s are how much and multiply, and 24 into 3 we have to multiply and check which is nearer one or exact one. We have to write that. So 24 2s are 48, that is a nearer one. Then 61 minus 48 subtracted, you get 13, and bring 3 down. Now 133. 24 5 is a 120, that is a nearer one. Now subtract 133 minus 120, 13. 13 is a remainder. Quotient is 25. 13 is a remainder. Next is 394 divided by 23. 23 here, 394. Whether we can consider 3? No, because 3 is less than this number. So we have to consider 39. Nearer to 23. How much are nearer to 39? 23 2s are 46 will come, that is greater than this. So 123 ones are 23, that is a nearer one. 39 minus 23 is a 16. Then bring this 4 down. Now 164. 23 7s are 161, that is a nearer one. Then subtract. After subtraction, again remainder is 3. Quotient is 17, remainder is 3. Now 10th question, 693 divided by 17. 17 here, 693. So we can't take 6. 6 is less than 17. So we have to consider 2 digit, that is 69. Nearer to 17, how was that? 16. Nearer to 69. So 17 4s are 68. That is a nearer one. After subtracting these two, 1 is a remainder, and bring this 3 down. 13. Now 13 is less than 70. It means 17 zeros are 0, 17 ones are 17. 17 is greater than this number, so we have to consider 17 zeros are. So 17 zeros are 0. 13 minus 0 is 13 only. Now remainder is 13, and quotient is 40. Now 11th question, 6792 divided by 38. 38 here, 6792. So whether we can consider 6? No, 6 is very less than less. So we have to take 2 digits, that is 67. 38 ones are 38, 38 twos are 70 something will come. We have to multiply and check because we can't remember 38 ones are table. Multiply and check 38 twos are how much and 38 threes are, which is a nearer one, that we have to take. 38 ones are 38, that is a nearer one. Now 67 minus 38 is 29, and bring 9 down because 29 is less than this. And each case we can bring one number down. 38 sevens are 266, that is a nearer one. And subtract 299 minus 266, that is 33, and bring one number down, that is 2. Now 332. 38 eights are 304, that is a nearer one. Now 332 minus 304, so after subtracting, answer is 28. So quotient is 178 and remainder is 28. 12th one, 320 divided by 29. So 29 is a divisor, 320 is here. So 3 we can't take single number because less than 29. So we have to consider 2 digits, that is 32. 29 ones are 29, that is a nearer one. 32 minus 29 is 3 remainder, and bring 0 down. So now 30. Again 29 ones are 29, that is a nearer one. 30 minus 29 is, after subtracting, remainder is 1. Quotient is 11, remainder is 1. Now D main, find the quotient and the remainder. Again division children. 7183 divided by 46. So 46 here, 7183 here. 46 ones are 46. We have to consider 2 digit because 1 digit means 7 is less than 46. So we have to take 2 digit. 46 ones are 46. Subtracting 71 minus 46, that is 25, and bring one number, that is 8, 258 now. Now 46 5s are 230, that is nearer to 258. Now subtract these two values. After subtracting we get 28 as answer. Then bring one number down, that is 3, 283 now. Now 46 6 are 276, that is a nearer one. Now subtract 283 minus 276, remainder is 7. Quotient is 156, remainder is 7. Next 2903 divided by 27. 27 here. So whether we can take 2 because no, because 2 is less than this number, we have to consider 29. 29 ones are 20, 27 ones are 27, that is nearer to 29. After subtracting we get 2 as a remainder 2, and bring one time we can bring one number, bring 0 down. Now 20 is less than 27, it means 27 zeros are 0, 27 ones are 27. 27 is less than 20, greater than 20. So we want exact one or nearer one. So we can consider 27 zeros. So 27 zeros are 0. Now 20 minus 0 is 20 only. Now bring this 3 down. 203. Now 27 sevens are 189. After subtracting we get remainder as 14, and quotient is 107. Next third one 6792 divided by 38. 38 here 6792. So we can't take 6 because single number, we have to consider 2 digit. 6 is less than this number. Exact one we can take or nearer. So we have to take 67 two numbers. Nearer to 67 in 38 ones are tables. 38 ones are 38. 38 twos is greater than this. So 38 ones are 38. 67 minus 38 is 29. And bring one number down, that is 9. 299. So 38 sevens are 266, that is a nearer to this number, and subtract these two value, you get 33 as a answer. Then bring one more number down, that is 2. Now 38 eights are 304. After subtract these two numbers. After subtracting you get 28, that is a remainder. Quotient is 178, remainder is 128. Remainder is 28. Now next fourth question, 4560 divided by 15. 15 here 4560. Whether we can take 4? No, 4 is less than 15. So we have to take 2 digits, that is 45. So now we have to check nearer or exact one in 15 ones are tables. 15 threes are 45, exact one we are getting 45 minus 45 means 0 and bring one number. Each case we can bring one number, that is 6. We can also bring two numbers also, but safer side bring only one number. Okay, each step one number. So 6. Now 6 is less than 15, so we can consider 15 zeros are 0. 15 ones are 15 is greater than this. 15 zeros are 0. Now 6 minus 0 is 6 only. Now bring this 0 down. Each step one number we have to carry down. Now 60. 15 over no. Now 15 fours are 60. 15 fours are 60. So 60 minus 60 is 0. So answer here 304 and remainder is 0. Now next fifth question. 6003 divided by 31. So 31 here 6003. So we can't take 6. 6 is less than this number. So we have to take 2 digits. 60. 60 is greater than this number. If again it is less than this divisor means we have to take 3 digits. Now 31 ones are 31, that is a nearer to 60. 31 twos are 62, that is a greater than this number. We want exact number or nearer one. Now 60 minus 31 is, after subtracting we get 29 as answer. Now bring 1 0 down, that is 290. Now 31 nines are 279. 290 minus 279 means after subtraction you get 11 as answer. Now bring one number down, that is 3. 39 3 is a 193, there is a nearer one. Nearer after 113 minus 93 is 20. Quotient is 193, remainder is 20. Next 4293 divided by 12. So 12 here 4293. So we have to take 4 we contain less than 12. So we have to consider 2 digits, that is 42. 12 3 is a 36. 42 minus 36 is 6, remainder, and bring one number 9 down. 12 5 is a 60. 69 minus 60 is 9. Then bring one number down, that is 3, 93. So 12 7s are 84. Now subtract. Remainder is 9. Quotient is 357. Remainder is 9. Now next is 9311 divided by 22. 22 fours are 2 number. 22 fours are 88. 93 minus 88 is 5, remainder, and bring one number, that is 151. 22 twos are 44, that is a nearer one. Then subtract these two value. After subtraction you get 7 as a remainder. Then again bring one number down. Now 71. 22 3s are 66, that is nearer to this number. Now 77 minus 66 is remainder is 5. So quotient is 423 and remainder is 5. Now 2601 divided by 51. 51 is here 2601. We can't take 2. 2 is less than this number. So we have to take 26. Again 26 is less than 51. So we have to consider 3 digit, that is 260. 260 is greater than this. Now 51 we have to multiply in Excel because we can't remember 51 on the table. First multiply 51 4s are 51 into 4 how much, then multiply 51 into 5 how much, and 51 into 6 how much, which is a nearer one that we have to consider. 51 5s are 255, that is a nearer to 260. Now minus it, this 2 you get remainder as 5 after subtraction 5, and bring this 1 down, 1. So 51. 51 ones are 51. After subtraction remainder is 0. Quotient is 51. Remainder is 0. Ninth one, 6265 divided by 25. 25 now. Whether we can take 6? No, less than this number. So take 62, 2 digit. 25 twos are 50. Now 62 minus 50 is 12. Then bring, after subtraction you get 12, bring 6 down. Now 126. 25 5s are 125, that is nearer to 126. Now 126 minus 125, subtract the value. After subtraction you get 1 as a remainder. Then bring one number down, that is 5. 15 is less than this number, so we have to consider 25 zeros are 0, 25 ones are 25. 25 ones are 25 is greater than 15. So we can't take greater number. So we have to consider zeros. 25 zeros are 0. Now 15 minus 0 is 15 only. Quotient is 250. Remainder is 15. Now 10th one. 8080 divided by 11. 11 here 8080. Whether we can take only 8? No, because less than this number. So 80 we can consider. 80 is greater than this. 11 7s are 77. Now 80 minus 77 is 3 remainder. Bring one number down, that is 8. 11 3s are 33, that is a nearer one. 38 minus 33 is remainder. 38 minus 33, subtract, you get 5 as answer. Now bring one number down, carry down, that is 0. Now 11 4s are 44, that is nearer to 50. 50 minus 44, remainder is 6. After subtraction, you get 6. Now quotient is 734 and remainder is 6. Now 11th question, 2229 divided by 79. 79, 2229. Whether we can take one number 2? No, 2 is less than 79. Then whether we can bring 23? 2 digit, 23 also less than this number. So we have to take 232, 3 number. 232 is greater than this. Now 79 2s are 158. 79 3s is greater than this. 79 2s are 158. Now subtract these two. After subtraction, get 74 as a value. Then bring carry down one number, that is 9. 749. Now 79 9s are 711. Now subtract 749 minus 711, that is 38. Now quotient is 29 and remainder is 38. For 12th question, 2487 divided by 63. 63 is here, 2487. Whether we can take 24 is less than 63. So we have to take 3 digits, 248. 248 is greater than this number. Divisor. So 63 3s are 189, that is nearer to 249. Minus, after subtraction, you get 59 as answer. Then bring one number down, carry down, that is 7, 597. 63 9s are 567. Now subtract these two, you get remainder as 30. Quotient is 39 and remainder is 30. Now 13th question. 6561 divided by 81. 81 here, 6561. 81 8, so we can't take 65. 65 is less than this. Take 3 digits, 656. 81 8s are 648, that is nearer to 656. Subtracting, you get 8 as a remainder. Bring one number, that is A1. Now together is 81. 81 ones, we can take exact number. We can consider exact number. 81 ones are 81. Subtract this two value, remainder is 0. Now quotient is 81 and remainder is 0. Now 14th one, 3089 divided by 16. 16 here, 3089. 30 we can consider, yes, because 30 is greater than 16. 3 we can't consider, 3 is less than this. We can consider as exact number, or we can divide exact number or greater than or nearer to. Greater than 16, greater than that number, 16. 16 ones are 16, that is a nearer one. 16 twos is greater than this. Now 30 minus 16 is 14. Bring one number down, that is 8. 148 now. 16 9s are 144, that is a nearer one. Subtract this two value, remainder is 4. Bring one number down, that is 9. 16 3s are 48 and subtract 49 minus 48, remainder is 1. Now quotient is 193 and remainder is 1. Now 15th one, 5678 divided by 31. So 31 here, 5678. 5 we can't consider because less than this. 56 we can consider. 31 ones are 31. Subtract these two, you get 25 as a value. Then bring one down, that is 7, 257. 31 8s are 248, that is a nearer one. Now subtract these two value, you get after subtraction 9. Then bring one number down, that is 8, 98. 31 3 is a 93. Now subtract 98 minus 93, you get remainder as 5. Quotient is 183 and remainder is 5. Next is 4231 divided by 49. So here 49 divisor here, 4231 here. 42 we can't consider, 42 is less than this 49, so we have to take 3-digit number, that is 423. 49 8s are 392 and 423 minus 392 is 3 is a remainder, 31 is a remainder. Bring one number down, that is 311 now. 49 6 are 294, that is nearer to 311. Now subtract the value. After subtraction, remainder is 17. Remainder is 17. Quotient is 86. Remainder is 17.